Carolyn, it's an amazing story. And before we continue, I'm just going to say something in Manipuri. It's my language. We have a saying called "Yungabo mapana machayu takano haibiar." It's like a father who is drunkard cannot stop his kids from drinking. This is theoretically something really viral amongst the, like, I don't know, elders or something like that. It's just something different, which I see as a very wrong concept, because someone who have been there, like someone who have already drank the alcohol, can stop us because they know what's bad, they know what's good, have been there, because they are the right teachers to guide us. Someone who have never been there can show us the path, right? So it's about to be a year now that you have left from whatever you have been going through, and from that concept, I feel really proud, because I have been through not drug but depression, like anxiety, so much. Because fighting something external is really easy in life. We can use a weapon, we can take help from friends, but fighting something inside us, fighting ourselves to get over something, is really difficult. And what you did is phenomenal. You are fighting the biggest enemy of your life. Like, think about, you can fight with North Korea taking hands in hands, but it's really hard to fight ourselves from inside. So putting that point in concern, what would you like to give to those 16 years, 17 years, 18 years old watching home? Like, if that craving comes from inside, like, oh, I want to try this. So what would you like to give them, like, from your perspective?
It's never worth it.
It's never worth it.
It will never be worth it to do the drugs. Yeah, you might have fun for a night. Yeah, you might come out of anxiety or depression for 45 minutes or 8 hours. But the higher the high, the lower the low, right? And when you realize that it's too late, it's hard. This year has been the scariest year of my life. Like, I decided on August 18th of 2018 that I was done, because I thought that I was fine, everything was great, and then all of a sudden I thought I was going to die alone on the bathroom floor of a restaurant downtown Ottawa.
Okay.
And I didn't want that to happen. And I spent so long, because I tried to get clean, and I was clean and completely sober for 84 days in early 2018. And I spent so long after I relapsed saying, I deserve this.
Yeah.
I've done this to myself. I don't deserve to have friends. I don't deserve to do anything but be alone with the drugs, because the drugs love me. The drugs make me feel better. I cut myself off from my friends, from my family, but they don't. The drugs don't love you the way your family or your friends do. And, you know, a lot of people don't have a family life that I've been so lucky to have.
Yeah.
Like, some of the comments I've gotten when I did another interview for like a media page,
Yeah.
were, your parents should have raised you better. My parents gave me the best life I could ever have. It's not a reflection of them, what I did.
Yeah.
But family doesn't necessarily mean blood. Your best friends are your family as well. And, you know, if you're struggling or if you're considering getting into drugs, spend time with your family. Spend time with them and think about what you're giving up if you go for it.